Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about CATSA. The expansion of CATSA is countering America's adversaries through Sanction Act of 2070. As the name suggests, it is passed in 2070, and the main aim of this act is that if any country is going against America, they will be sanctioned by America using this act. Okay, so there are three countries which got sanctions. They are Iran, Russia, and North Korea. Okay, and there are two kinds of sanctions. First one is primary sanction, and second one is secondary sanction. In primary sanction, America will be directly imposing sanctions on countries, and those countries are like Iran, Russia, and North Korea. Okay, if any countries are making a deal with these sanctioned countries, then they will also get sanctioned. Then that kind of sanctions are known as secondary sanction. Okay, if America has imposed primary sanctions on Iran, and if any country is buying or trading with Iran, then that country also get sanctioned. That kind of sanction is called a secondary sanction. Okay, so this is what is primary sanction and secondary sanction. Okay, so the impact of this CATSA on India is that India will be buying S-400 missile from Russia, and Russia is a country which got primary sanction from America. So sometime India also may get sanction which is of secondary in nature. Okay, but so far nothing has happened, but it may happen in the future. But there are some points which is giving advantages for India, because India is a strategic partner of USA in the Indian Ocean region. So sometime India may get a kind of waiver in this deal of S-400 missile that we are going to buy from Russia. Okay, and also in USA they are already discussing that this act of CATSA is having a negative impact on USA, because whenever they are imposing sanctions on countries, that country is having a problem. Along with that, many other countries who are depending on these sanctioned countries are also facing same problems. Okay, so if America has imposed sanctions on Russia, there are so many countries which are buying defense equipments as well as energy from this country. So they also will be getting a lot of problem due to this secondary sanction as well as primary sanction from USA. Okay, so they are already discussing that they will have to look again into this act, because it is acting very adversely against the USA itself. Okay, so anyway, India will be buying S-400 missiles from Russia in the future, and we will have to look or wait for the impact or the result of this trade as well as the response of America on India. Okay, so that's all. Thank you.